So this is Yatharth Chauhan, 4S GitHub certified, and today I just completed Microsoft Copilot GitHub certification, so 5x now, and I'm really excited to start the journey with the Microsoft Copilot Studio, which is recently launched by Microsoft to give you the access if you have a working email address or if you have any access to start your hands-on on Microsoft Studio. So we can start on the hands-on, but before going ahead, I would like to start with the agenda. So initially, I'm introducing the Microsoft Copilot Studio, what exactly it means, and second, how we can create a Copilot with our own version and how we can deploy it. Correct? So this is our agenda as of now, and move forward to the next introduction. So Microsoft Copilot, as you know, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, all actually working with AI, especially conversation AI. Correct? So that is a conversation AI from end user to the AI. But Microsoft Copilot give you the extra features like you can automate your process, you can automate your regular tasks, you can automate your business operations like onboarding process, or we can say any such type of operations which you are targeting on your regular basis, like whatever you want in morning, afternoon, night, evening. Okay, so as per your choice, you can customize your own chatbot and connect with your own website or application, whatever. Correct. Now move forward to the what is Microsoft Copilot Studio in the terms of the definition. So, which is totally connected with the Microsoft Power Apps, Power BI, Analytics Studio, and all other Microsoft automation tools. Okay, as many of you know, Power Automate, maybe right. So you can automate all the things. But if you want to automate the things with AI, then Copilot is here. Got it? Now for access this Microsoft Copilot Studio, we have a link copilotstudio.microsoft.com. Correct? So let's go with the link first. So after hitting the link, you will getting the access of like like this one. Okay. So yeah, front page is here, Microsoft Copilot Studio. So initially you can check it out, try free, correct? You can just sign in with your Microsoft account if you have a working email address. Then might be you have access or might be not. Okay, but write out if is it accessible. Just ping me on LinkedIn if you have any doubt. We can go ahead. Right now, let's scroll down and you can find out the detailed description about AI Assistant GitHub Copilot Studio. So in which you can see the interface, correct? So we can deploy the chatbot via this method, via this UI. Okay, but before going ahead, let's again scroll down and you can find out what is the mean about the agent. Okay, you can build your own agent. Let's say you know, if you want to do something, okay, suppose we want a driver, suppose we want to cooks, right? So we can hire someone, right, to complete our work, just like that. In digital, we want to complete our task by a third person. That means agent will work for you. Okay, now you can add the agent inside the 365 Copilot. How? Let's go ahead. So build your own agent. You can see, connect, or you can design it by your own self, or you can enhance if you have already your Copilot. Okay. So just basic information which we'll cover during the hands-on right now. So some basic information, if you can check it out more inside the details, you can go with that. And yeah, the pricing, if you are a business owner, right? So it would be really necessary to work with the latest Microsoft Copilot Studio to catch up our latest technologies, okay, to stay in the trend, correct? So yeah, this is for business owners who have their own company, own software company, or any other agency, something like that. Okay, either you can ignore it. Now, the basic fundamentals which must you can understand via the website. So back to the work PPT. Yeah, now features. Okay, the first one, user interface, correct? Which is too minimal, which is too attractive, and too latest. Okay, it's not a like not a bad something, not a old UI. Okay, now the second main point is that it's a comprehensive support and document. Okay, if you have any doubt or any question on Microsoft Copilot, you can read it out the documentation on their website, right? It's a very step-by-step information about creating Copilot and how to connect with your application, how to connect with your Microsoft Automate softwares. So each and everything are inside the documentation. Now let's go with the hands-on creating and deploy a Copilot, right? So let's go to our Copilot Studio first. So first, what you need to do? Okay, click on the try now, right? And yeah, okay, return it out your email address, okay, and create your account first. After confirming the details, you can redirect into the access of the Copilot, correct? This one. So I hope you guys actually understand what is the meaning of it, Copilot Studio. And now, if you have any question, you can just ask in the chat box, or either you can just ping me anywhere on my LinkedIn. So you can find out at the end of the session. But right now, let's go with the hands-on. So before go ahead, let's go to the features. Let's say in the homepage, you can check it out with template. Okay, let's say you wanna build a one co-pilot for traveling stuffs, then you can directly using this template. Suppose you want to build a question and answer series website. Okay, so let's say I have my own portfolio example and I'm typing who is the Yatharth Chauhan, right? So this is question which is asked by user. Now Copilot will get the answer from our website. Let's say www.yatharthchauhan.me. So Copilot will getting the answer from the website, and Copilot will be give you the answer in a chat or either in a speech manner, right? So which is on question and answer chatbot. Third one, conversation AI. Fourth one, if you have your own store, e-commerce store, digital store, then it's for you again. So you can manage your inventory, you can manage your product details, you can manage your customers, you can manage your invoice directly via conversation. How? Let's say I wanna figure it out. How many sales will be possible in next 30 days, or how many sales was done by any salesperson in last 30 days. So if you want to writing such type of question, then you will be getting the answer as per your data set, correct? So yeah, now the fourth one, sustainability insight. Okay, so which is might be on the company side mostly. So I'm not covering it right now. Weather condition. So yeah, whenever you are currently living or whenever your employees are living, correct? So if you wanna just typing out that what is the weather condition as per my company employees, right? So Copilot will give you the analytics data. Copilot will be give you the average weather temperature, okay, along with the different cities with the category wise, correct? So yeah, I hope you got the understandability about how Copilot actually needed in the industry right now. So let's go with the create one chatbot. So let's say I'm go with my already created one chatbot, WebEx Select Copilot. So just wait, it's loading right now. It might be slow. Okay, so don't worry. Keep your patience and give a thumbs up, and let's start. So yeah, you can see my chatbot is ready. Okay, I already built up. Now let's test. So let's say I'm typing which type of services are you providing? Wait. Yeah. See, I got the details. Okay. We provide a scalable cloud solutions, especially I am 13x Azure certified. So we will give you the customization solution, especially in the cloud and DevOps. So for that, it fetching the main our services, cloud and DevOps first, and second, you can check it out efficiency and security for our data and all other stuffs. Okay, web development you can check it out HTML, CSS, and all other JavaScript, PHP, Node.js. So it all actually are fetching the data from website from www.webxlr.com. See, I just input my website and chatbot is ready. Understand how Copilot is beneficial. So let's go with the website right now. Yeah, www. Yeah. Now inside the solution, you can check it out. Okay, digital have business have no office setup. So let's go with cloud and DevOps cloud solutions. Inside you can find out as fast and SaaS type of products, okay, especially on the cloud storage and all. So if you are asking something specific, okay, then Copilot will give you the answer from this website. Okay. So now that chatbot is working as our customized solutions. Like I want a chatbot who getting the data from my website. So yeah, let's create one new one. Okay, let's go to the home. Okay, now let's go to the create. Yeah, it might be slow. Okay, now let's create a new copilot. Click on this. Wait again. Yes. Now enter the name of your copilot. So let's say I'm writing out the Yatri copilot. Oh, sorry. Yatri. Mm, yeah. Yatri copilot. Okay. Now let's say I want to change my icon. Then I can easily add this photo via click on this change icon button. But right now just keep it. Now description. So Yatri Cloud YouTube channel. It's my YouTube channel. You can check it out and learn more cloud and DevOps stuff, especially on GitHub side also. So yeah, that's instruction. So now subscribe now. Okay, subscribe to the Azure Developer Community and the Yatri Cloud to understand more cool stuffs from our side. So yeah, and also one more thing is that let's written it out Azure Developer Community lead Ahmedabad. Okay, so yes, done. So currently I'm Azure lead at Ahmedabad right now. So yeah, now all done, all set. Now, so first I want to something automate as per my input. So let's add a knowledge and yes. So you can see public access via website. Second one, if you have a SharePoint website, then you can connect within the Copilot. So maybe some of you know about the Microsoft Student Ambassador. So as a gold MLSA, we have access of the SharePoint. Okay, so each and everything are coming from the SharePoint. So let's say I want to customize something, right? Then I just put in out the SharePoint link inside my Copilot, and yeah, Copilot is ready, just like WebXLR Copilot. Okay, the SharePoint would be there to helping out to automate your actions. And third one, Dataverse, which is currently under preview. Okay, so yeah, just wait for a few months maybe. Microsoft will be announce it as soon as possible. So yeah, so I'm going with the public website and entering the website name. So no need to enter HTTPS. Okay, it will be directly getting it. So I'm just typing down the yatricloud.com. Okay, so I will showcase you how actually website it looks in UI format. So website is ready, right? So now see, I want to create a copilot to getting the data from my website. Okay, for that we are creating this copilot right now. So a journey towards cloud and DevOps, you can check it out here, blogs and dev and all other stuffs. Correct? You can join with us to understand the more cloud and DevOps solutions, right? So you can go with my LinkedIn profile also. Now this is website, okay, general website. So then I enter the website, click on the add, website is added. You can add one more website, okay. So let's say I'm adding Dev Yatri. So dev.yatricloud.com, fine. So let's copy it and paste it down here. HTTPS, yeah, you can consider it, no worries. Add, website is added, right? So done, website is added. Now no need to do anything other stuff. Just click on the add button and your website is added right now here. So yeah, all clear. Just comment it down yes. And if you got to understand the concept, and just click on the create now. You need to just sitting in your chair and wait for few seconds and your copilot will be ready. So just wait till yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and to comment. Okay. So just wait. Yeah, now ready. So taste your Copilot right now. I'm typing out. Mm, Yatri Cloud. Let's say Yatri Cloud is for cloud and DevOps. Fine. See, yes, Yatri Cloud is designed to support cloud and DevOps purposes. It provides a range of services and tools that facilitate cloud computing, infrastructure, and CI/CD stuff. Okay. So yeah, this is some basic information. Now let's say uh, who is the team. So I don't know how actually it works, right? Inside depth, how many questions it will be getting. So see, I don't have a specific information, correct? Just because of we didn't mention anything in our website backend, correct? So that's why I'm telling you. Some question and answer it will be not getting, correct? So for that, you need to create some other stuff within your backend, right? Within your backend, you need to mention some question and answers, or you need to train the copilot as per your question answers via knowledge and topics in the upper side, right? So each and every details are not possible to give you whatever you are asking, right? It's a confidential information. That's why it's not going to give you anything right now. So I hope you got the idea how actually it works. So that was very simple topics, right? See, some topics already added, goodbye, greetings, and all. Or if you want to add more things from your side, you can just click on the add topic and yes, enter your topic name, then create topic whatever you want to add, and just go to the create, correct? And then suppose you want to ask something, okay, goodbye, correct? Then see, bye for now, bye now, goodbye. This is all, the similarity of the words. Okay, it giving you the similar sense of the meaning, correct? You can say bye to your friends, colleagues, right? You can say goodbye also, right? So whatever, the meaning is the same, correct? So as per the conversation, you can add the phrases right now, correct? Then, after the trigger this anything, it will be going to the question in the Boolean format, correct? So it will be automatic generated when we create a copilot, right? So if you want to change it, then you can either keep as it is as per your requirement. Now, conditions. So let's say talking about a condition right now, uh, is equal to the true or false, right? Or all other conditions. then it will be redirect into the messages box if it's not equal to, right? Or if it's true, then redirect it into the topic button, correct? Whatever we're listing out. Got it? See, I guess I need to full screen it, but not option would be there. Okay, now see the condition. Okay, you can see the rating here, then also then going to the message, and again it will be question, then again it will be giving you the, different strategy what you need to follow. It's a different flow, correct? So you can build up it as per your requirement. Like suppose I want to give a one co-pilot to manage my employees. So whenever I roll out the form, okay, then my employee or intern will be fill up it out the form, right? I will be received a notification via Copilot. Then if I'm approve it, then Copilot will automatically send the email whatever I want. Okay, in just one click. Then intern or employee will be getting the email. Then intern and employee will be approved as from their side. Then I'm again get a notification that condition is satisfied or something whatever. Correct? So something like that. If you want to automate this type of process, then you can customize via this Copilot. Correct? So it's a very vast topic right now. So I can't able to cover it out within a 1 hour, but I will give you the idea. Okay, what you can do it, what how you can do it, right? Just like this. So almost the chatbot is ready. Okay, on testing purpose. So now let's say I want to publish my copilot here on the this side. Then you can see the content will be available across all the channels, right? That means you can access it via your own self, correct? So now click on the publish. Again, wait for few seconds. It will be going to deploy our copilot on internet on live server. So I guess copilot will be running in background, so we don't need to wait here. Just close. Okay, done. So your Copilot was published at 5:24 p.m. You can check it out the date here, right? Yeah. Now, how you are going to access it? That is currently under the beta, right? So currently, suppose I want to access it, then go to the three dot button and go to the demo website. But currently, I can't able to check it out the demo website just because of it's not available right now, and our regions, our authentication also stops. So I want to actually enable it from my WebExcella account. So this is accessible for my organization, webexcella.com. So we have a working email address for our employees, correct? So if I want to give you them access, then that person will be easily get access of the Copilot Studio. But if you don't have a working email address, or if you don't have a permission to use the Copilot Studio within your organization, then you can't access this Copilot Studio. Okay, so make sure you have a rights and you have a access to log in inside the Copilot Studio, right? Or if you want to understand more and wanna join our WebExcella, so no worries, just uh, comment, just connect me on LinkedIn and send me your requirements. Okay, what you are looking for, we can go ahead. But now go with the knowledge, topics, actions, analytics, and channels one by one to understand in the depth. Correct? So go to the knowledge and you can manage your website here if you wanna delete something or whatever. So let's say I wanna add something, correct? Go to the advanced section. Now see, enterprise data connection preview is still under the preview section, right? So again, you need to wait for few months maybe to roll out this feature, correct? Cancel it, go with the topics which we covered earlier right now. So you can add a topic here, or either you can check it out the system topics right now. So fallback on errors, something, whatever. Okay, so it will be automatically generated. You can also change it. Now, actions. So let's say I'm creating one actions. So suppose I want email address. I want an email notification. Whatever this happens. Suppose I'm writing something. Okay, I'm writing question something, right? Then after getting the answer, each and every answer. Suppose I want a individual notification on my email address, correct? Then I can configure the email notification, okay, to getting each and every updates. So you can consider it. Either you can connect your Excels, correct, as per your requirement. So you can run your script, okay, to automate the process. You can update the rows and columns, okay. So suppose you wanna create a new flow, then you create a here. Suppose you wanna add a API, but it's not giving you the permission right now. Okay. So click on the create a flow. You will be redirected into the Power Automate. So Power Automate is nothing but automation provided by Microsoft, in which you can automate your regular tasks like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and all other Microsoft stuffs. Correct. So I guess it will be getting some internet issue right now. Yeah, Wi-Fi is too low. Yeah, nobody's we will cover it out later. If internet is not working right now, then mm, yeah, actually it's still loading. Oh yeah, now see, Copilot is already added. Correct. Now you can add your input here. Okay, now you wanna text or you wanna enter any file, address, number, date, whatever. Correct. So let's say I'm entering email. Correct. Then whatever. Then suppose I want something after entering email. Suppose I want to checking the date. Then click on the date. Okay. After submitting the email, I'm getting the latest update. Okay, what is the timing right now, or what is the date, whatever you want to do. Correct. So you can manage the flow here by Power Automate, and you can connect this automation inside the Copilot. Correct. So yeah, now this is a lengthy process. Okay, so due to the time constraint, I'm just go with the overview. So now the next one, analytics. So analytics is one of the important concept when you are working on the IT side, especially on the I can say data analytics role or any BD role or any such type of analytics role. Okay, so at the time you can manage each and every input. Okay, each and every uh, request which is coming from user and which is coming from Copilot also. Correct. So we have a multiple analytics inside the Copilot Studio. You can see. I'm zoom it out and see, total sessions, engagement rate, resolution rate, escalation rate, abandon rate, and the CSAT rate. Okay, so mainly that if you are working on the analytics side, then it's understandable by you. But currently, it's giving you the 0% just because of we didn't do anything right now. Okay, so yeah, now go to the channels. So you can check it out. Different connectors. You can connect your Copilot with Microsoft Teams. You can Slack, Telegram, Skype, Facebook, or whatnot. Okay. Now, you just go with your own uh, research way. Okay. If you have any Telegram bot, so suppose you wanna scale it out to more audience, right? So Copilot would be best options for you. Suppose you want to manage your team using Slack, okay, then how we can attach the AI. So Copilot would be there, same like Skype. Suppose you want to, you want to take a meeting note with AI, then Copilot will be helpful for you. Okay, so let's say this is our live session is ongoing, right? So suppose you want a digital notes, whatever I'm speaking, correct, whatever, or you wanna in the PDF format or in the text format. Okay, so let's say I'm connecting this Copilot with my session which is currently ongoing, right? So see, direct line speech. That means my speech is converted into the text, and after getting the text, Copilot will be analysis my text content and provide you the base summarize live event concept. So whatever I teaching you right now, you will be getting the PDF format, right? So this type of the concept we can manage via the Copilot Studio, right? For example, I am just giving you the scenario. So now that was some basic introduction about the Copilot Studio. Then you can also connect with Hub that means a largest company which is provide you the solutions. So Salesforce, which is among of them, and also Zendesk could be there, right? And also Dynamic 365 customer services. So might be Dynamics CRM and all stuff. Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Microsoft Dynamic ERP, enterprise solutions. Okay, to manage your finance. So yeah, also you can connect your sales and marketing team here. You can manage your finance sector in a very efficient manner to analyze your profit and loss, whatever. Correct. So that was clear now. Okay, all each and every fundamentals about the Copilot Studio. And let's suppose you wanna export your Copilot data, correct, within your local system. Then export it, correct. Then you will be getting the all details in the Power App Solutions. Okay, so which is also Power App Solution, the software of the Microsoft. You can redirect there. Okay, if you wanna export your data. Okay, then solutions just ignore it as of now. No need right now to go inside the data. So go to the library on the left side. See Power Platform, Power Apps, Automate, Power BI, then also a lot of things here, right? Copilot SDK is here to developers. You can connect your code with the Copilot SDK right now, right? So yeah, so like I can say the one of the most benefit for developers to automate their code base and standardize your development. Okay, you can manage your functions, you can manage your try and catch blocks to handle the errors and all stuff. So yeah, you can see library if you wanna use something, it's ready for you. Okay, you can see status, right? And add an item. So suppose this is a connector if you want to connect something, okay, within your data source, or either you can conversation your resources like in a speech, in text, or whatever. Or third one, a prompt, whatever you are written it out via prompt, then you will be getting the actions. You will be getting the image, videos, or whatever, correct? As per your configuration. Now the fourth one, flow. So flow, as you know, the condition will be true or false, which we covered, right? So that one. So yeah, new actions you can connect here right now, and I guess almost I have done with Copilot Studio. Now I'm go with the yes this one. So let's say uh, wanna do something okay with Microsoft apps. So let's consider one example. Okay, now Uh, suppose you are working as an employee under my Webexcella. So suppose you are going to work with our software as a service product, right? So let's say I wanna give you some update, right, regarding your feedback, regarding your task performance and all, right? So and first, what I need to do, I need to create a Microsoft form, correct? So after creating the Microsoft form, how I create? I'm not going to manually enter the questions. Okay. I'm attaching the Copilot within my Microsoft form to create a questions to hire new people to start the feedback from my employees or to measure the performance of our employees, something like that. So I will be getting the ready-made Microsoft Form in a just prompt way. Suppose I'm writing out create a one form to measure the performance of our employee of XYZ or whatever. Okay. Then Copilot will be giving you the ready-made Microsoft form, right? And automatically it will be going to send all our employees. How? Employee data would be stored in our Excel, right? Excel will be connected with the Copilot, correct? So Copilot will be giving you the automation process to roll out the Microsoft form. Then after receiving the form, via employee, then it will be submitting the form. After I will getting the notification, email notification on my respective email address, correct? Then so after getting the email address, after getting the you know response from employee, then i'm I'm go with the analytics version. Okay, so I'm using the I guess PowerPoint within the data analytics tool. Okay, so I'm creating one presentation which is automatically bifurcate the data. Correct. So whatever I got the email responses. So suppose after analytics the all data, I'm connecting it to Power BI and some other stuffs. Then after getting the analytics, I wanna store that report inside my OneDrive, automatic. Okay, how many report would be generated? I wanna store in a respective folder inside the OneDrive. Correct. So after storing the data inside the OneDrive, Copilot will be manage each and everything. So after storing the data, suppose I want to roll it out this data to my manager, right? Then I'm just sending it out to Copilot to send it out the report to my manager on this email address. Then Copilot will be doing these things for you as an agent, correct? Agent I already covered. It will work for you, right? Within your task, whatever you wanna do. So now this is the business operation I'm talking about. You can automate your onboarding process, feedback process, evaluation and performance process, right? As per your requirement, correct? Suppose this is my requirement, I want to handle my team, then I follow these stuffs, right? With Copilot Studio, correct? So I hope you got the idea how actually Copilot would be needed when you are leading any agency or software company or any your startup. Okay, so yeah, it's clear for you. So go to the PPT again. So we done this deployment and we already set up the environment. Okay, we go to the website, sign in with our Microsoft account, configure our Copilot, we configure our website, and we configure the some basic flows, right? And or prerequisites we done, correct? We have our access, we have our rights to create a Copilot. Then yeah, all things was done. Next, we already done the create a Copilot, correct? How you know already, correct? How we can customize the functionalities, how we can test our Copilot, correct? Then deploying your Copilot. We already published this deployment on uh, our demo website, but it currently under preview section, so we can't able to share this link to you, right? Then we go with the verification of the deployment success, which you can check it out 5:24 p.m., which will be done, correct? So yeah, now coming to the questions. So back to our live stream. Anyone have any questions? You can ask. If possible, either it would be fine, right? So I guess I'm done with my session right now.